hey, Vern.
So here we got a little bit of a bridge job going on. So this is just across from the college. This area used to flood out a lot, so now they're trying to fix it so that it has a good bridge so people can cross now. All right, so let's check it out. Mayon hapon. Hapon pod. Can I look? Okay, sige sige. Salamat. All right, let's check it out. So this is the old bridge down here. What's left of it. And this would flood out really bad every year. So now you can see they're building the new bridge with the new beams. Looks like quite a bit of flow. So it looks like they've dammed most of the water up to this point, and then they'll break all this out once the bridge is up. So how does that song go? Like a bridge over troubled waters, I will lay me down. I had to do that. I don't see any homeless people under here. That's a good sign. A lot of times people live under these bridges. But I suppose when they're building it, you're not going to have that too much. So you're the engineer. Nice to meet you. So this would flood all the time. I remember I would try to ride my bike in the rainy season, and it would oftentimes be, the water would be really high. So this looks like a good solution. So you're doing this bridge and the other bridge down the road? Same?
Yes, sir. The bridge near the VIR, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And when do these expect to be open?
Actually, let's ask the
Okay.
the engineering.
So you're just the approval person to approve the building of it. Is that what you do?
Yes, sir. I'm on the government side.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So there's layers of different people that are in this. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Okay, salamat. Thank you. So are you guys the bridge builders?
Yeah, we're the contractors.
And what's the time frame on the bridge before you're done?
It was on April, but you know the COVID.
Oh,
the
yeah.
pandemic happens, so it's extend.
Right.
Yeah.
So is this your home for the?
This is only the office, engineer's office. Picture too.
All right.
Show picture.
Yeah, you guys can be on my video. Salamat. So you're making the sides of the bridge here.
Sidewalk.
You're building, the sidewalk, okay. And you have to tie it all together, the rebar. Is that hard on your hands to tie?
No, it's
You have a tool?
yeah,
Use a tool. Okay, good. All right. Hello. Looking good. Look just like downtown. Just like downtown.
it's okay.
It's excellent. It's beautiful. Yeah, I'm excited to see this bridge. I'm excited to drive on it for the first time. And I'll think of you guys when I drive on it. I'll remember I watched you do this. Nice. Cool, you guys. Well, thanks for your time.
Okay.
Nice to chat you.
Thanks for your video.
Welcome. Now he's bringing a load of rock and dirt to build this base here. This base will be the ramp leading up to the bridge. That looks like you just missed the wire, so that's good. the wires. Just past the wires up top. That's the problem in the Philippines. Up, 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 up. Somebody's not gonna have internet in a minute. Yikes. 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 Tough stuff. Well, that's how it's done in the Philippines, baby. That's all she wrote.